All right, in this one, the negative is in the actual exponent itself. Okay, so what a negative does is it takes, or a negative exponent does, is it takes the reciprocal of whatever you're taking to that power. So it would be a reciprocal of 125, which is 1 over 125, to the positive power. And now since we have a fraction, we have both a power and we have a root. So I would have the cube root of 125, and then all of that to the 4th power. Okay, cube root of 1 is just 1. And then the cube root of 125, and all of that is to the 4th power. So we've got 1 over, let's see, cube root of 125 is 5. And then we're taking that to the 4th. 1 to the 4th is just 1. 5 to the 4th is 625. So our final answer is 1 over 625.